Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes like Cracker Barrel. First, combine your dry ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together thoroughly in a large bowl. This ensures even distribution for fluffy pancakes. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1 1/2 cups of buttermilk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Once combined, gently pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. A few small lumps are actually good and will result in a more tender pancake. Overmixing develops gluten, making pancakes tough. Next, heat your griddle or non-stick pan to a medium heat, ideally around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease the surface with a little butter or cooking spray. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on top and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook until golden brown. Your delicious Cracker Barrel-style pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with a generous drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of powdered sugar for that classic diner feel. They're perfect for a special breakfast or brunch. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy every fluffy bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.